do number 9. Okay, what's our first step? Distribute. What's distribute mean in layman's terms?
Multiply.
Multiply. Okay, some of you guys keep wanting to combine that in the front first. Okay, don't do that. So, the very first thing I can write down is a 5, for sure. Okay, 8 times 1 is going to be plus 8. 8 times 4
32.
plus 32n minus 211. Okay, what's our next step?
Combine.
Combine. Okay, what can we combine?
The 5 and 8.
The 5 and the 8
Gives you 13.
is going to give us 13 plus 32n. Okay, who's the kid?
The 13.
The 13. So how do I move it?
Subtract 13.
Subtract 13. So I have 32n. 4, 2.
Negative 24.
And what's my last step always? Divide.
Negative 7.
Okay, do I need to flip the sign?
No,
Why not?
it's not negative.
But it is. I got negative 7.
No, you don't gotta
Oh,
flip it.
not-
You can divide or multiply.
The 32n is not negative.
The 32 is not the negative. So the thing that's on the bottom, okay, the thing that we divided by has to be the negative, okay? So, just because the 7's a negative or the 224, it doesn't matter, okay? It matters what you're dividing by. So, should that be an open dot or a closed dot?
Open.
Open and where?
Between negative 8 and negative 6.
Yeah, so right here, and it's open and it's going to the
left.
right.
But,
What?
that's
Oh,
the left.
I did. You said the right, and I was like, oh yeah, the right. It's going to the left.
Oh.
I don't. I'm being confused. You want to do 11 or 12?
12.
12?
I went to the bathroom.
Mm-mm. You gonna have to wait? Okay, what's our first step?
Distribute.
Distribute. Okay, so negative 6 times 2 is negative 12x. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. And I got minus 102. Gosh dang it. What's our next step?
Combine.
It would be to combine. Do we have anything to combine?
No.
No, so then what's our next step?
Add or subtract.
Add or subtract the kid. Who's the kid?
6. So what's
6. So we say plus 6 to both sides? Plus 6. So I got negative 12x. What's negative 102 plus 6?
Negative 96.
90. Oh my god.
96? Yeah. Yeah. And then what's our last step always?
Divide.
Negative 8.
No, 8.
What?
Right.
It's definitely got to be positive. Okay, do we need to flip the sign?
Yes.
Okay, should that be an open dot or a closed dot? Open. And which way should it be going?
Left. Right.
The left.
Left.
The left. Want me to do 13 or 14?
14.
What up? 13.
Miss Jackson, you get to pick. 13 or 14? Thank you. 13. Okay, what's our step 1? Distribute. So negative 5 times 7, I mean negative 35x. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10. We got minus 8x. We can drop that too. Okay, what's our next step? Combine our like terms. A 35 and an 8.
Negative 43.
Okay.
Then the next step is add or subtract.
Add or subtract the kid. Who's the kid?
10 plus 10.
The 10. We got negative 129. And what's our last step? Divide. I don't know what it is. 3. Do we need to flip?
Got it.
Yes.
Yeah? Open or close dot?
Open.
Open.
Going to the left.
Going to the left. 16?
Yeah.
Before I forget, so I'm not picking on you, but I saw you do it yesterday. If you have the graph, that's great, okay, I appreciate that. You still need to have this part too, okay? So I check both. I check this, obviously to make sure you have the right answer, symbol, it's going in the right direction. And then I also check the graph to make sure you have the graph right, okay? So, not calling you out because your graphs were right, but you just didn't write the bottom part. Okay, so make sure that you're writing both pieces, okay? And then you said 16? 15. Serious, what'd you say? 16?
Yeah.
Okay, what's our first step?
Distribute.
Distribute. So negative 5 times negative 3,
Positive 15.
positive 15. Negative 5 times negative 6,
Positive 30.
positive 30x. And then you got negative 105. Okay, what's our next step?
Combine.
Subtract.
Well, it would be combined, but there's nothing to combine, so you guys are both right. So then you would add or subtract the kid, and it's 15, so which
Negative.
one?
Negative 15.
Yeah, we gotta minus it. Why do we minus it?
Because it's already positive.
Yeah, it's positive, so if there's nothing there in front of it, don't get it twisted, okay? It's still positive. Okay, so you get 120?
Maybe.
Negative 1.
Okay, and what's our last step always?
Divide.
Divide.
How'd you
It's negative 22.
Negative 120.
Mm-mm.
get? No.
Oh, I put 7.
Yeah.
How'd you get a?
Negative
So I
4.
put a 7.
No.
Negative 4.
How'd you get a positive? I mean, how'd you get a negative for 2 negatives?
Because if you borrowed $105 off me and then you borrowed another $15 off me, now you owe me $120.
Negative 4.
Do we change our sign?
No.
No.
Okay, should it be an open or closed dot?
Close.
Open.
Ooh.
Close.
Open.
Open. It's not a thing under it.
Oh.
Be nice. What you got? What you get so mad for?
I said.
About to get a heated math discussion. Jackson's about to murder you over the wrong sign.
Is that
Or
right?
get it right. Okay, which way are we going?
Right.
To the right. Okay, you guys have 8 problems to do. I expect you to get them done.